Today we're talking about the calamansi fruit. I have them in my hand here. So this is actually a hybrid, and it's a mandarin orange and a kumquat mixed together. You can see in the pot behind me, I have the plants growing, and I'll talk more about how to grow the calamansi in another video, but today's video is about the flavor profile and what these taste like. So this is episode 2 of my rare fruit series. First one I did last week on ice cream bananas, and today we have the calamansi, also known as calamandin. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open for you and then explain what it tastes like and what to use it for. I should mention, this is actually a variegated calamansi. So you can see on the leaves here how the plant has some lighter coloring and darker, and so that would be called variegated. So there's all kinds of different calamansi, and this one just happens to be the variegated, which is a little bit more rare. Here is what it looks like when you cut the calamansi. So it's juicy and orange, and it has a couple pretty big seeds comparatively to the fruit. And the outside, it has a thin skin, and you can see that it's variegated as well. So it's yellow and it has some like pinkish orange stripes to it. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna try this side. I mean, I use these all the time, but it's usually in cooking for marinades and things like that. I've never eaten it whole like that. So the inside, it's tart, but not as tart as a lemon or a lime. It tastes like a tart orange on the inside. And the outside is really sweet and very delicate. It doesn't have a rough texture at all. That's actually pretty good eating. Just getting these seeds out. Eating just like this. I'm gonna avoid the stem with this one. Let's see. Yeah, so if you like tart, my kids love tart, they could just eat these out of hand. This would be good in marinades, stews. Anytime you use a lemon or lime, it'd be good. But also it has a little bit of a unique flavor because it has that sweetness with the peel. So I think zesting this peel and drying that up, I have an episode, I'll post it here, on how to have dried tangerine zest powder. And grapefruit, I do it with other citrus, but I think I'm going to start doing it with this one as well. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more about calamansi. I'm going to do a video on how to grow and all about that, what I use it for. Also, if you don't know me, hi, I'm Jessica. My background, I'm a physician assistant and a dietitian, and I am trying to create a whole yard that's going to be just fruits, vegetables, anything you can eat, so an edible landscape. And you can come follow our journey. We're adding on a bunch of stuff, and we already have a bunch of stuff. I do a series with grocery shopping in my garden and things like that. So if you want to follow us along on our journey of growing enough food to replace the grocery store, subscribe. Please let me know if you have any questions, and happy gardening, everyone. I'll see you next time.